Hello friends, my name is Himanshu Mehta. Today I am giving the presentation related to passport. So let's start.
What kind of document is a passport?
Official document
Right. Who issues a passport?
by the government.
Right. How is a passport useful to a person?
It identifies the person to travel abroad.
Right. Which is the minimum required document to pass a country's international boundaries?
And read.
Which is the minimum required document to pass a country's international boundaries?
Pass.
According to international law, how is the passport help to citizen of a country?
It helps the person to travel abroad, and it requires the other government to send for the security.
Right. It is issued on the order of which officer in any country?
By the highest officials.
Right. In India, on the order of which a passport is issued for a person?
By the president.
Right. What makes a passport capable of any person?
It identifies the person and it identifies the person to travel abroad and for the citizenship of the person.
Right. How can a passport be used in international travel?
As in immigration.
Wrong. Who has the right to passport?
By government.
Right. What kind of authority does the government have regarding the passport?
Passport should be cancelled or any type of changes can cancel or withdrawn at any time.
Right. Who has full control over passport?
Government.
Right. What cannot be done with a passport?
Any type of changes cannot be done.
Right. What type of document is a passport?
Official document.
Right. How should the passport be kept?
Very carefully.
Right. In what language is the information given in the Indian passport printed?
Hindi and English.
Right. Where is the personal information given in the passport?
On the front and rear cover page both.
Right. What is done to prevent any tampering on front and cover pages?
They are laminated.
Right. What information is given on the front cover page?
Passenger photo, passport number, signature of the passenger and signature, surname, name and date issued on which passport and date, expiry date and on which place passport is issued and date of birth of the passenger and residence of the passenger.
Okay, right. Where is the photo in the passport?
On the front cover page.
Right. Where does the symbol of India appear?
On the center cover page of the passport.
Right. What is displayed at the center of the front cover?
Symbol of the passport. Countries one.
Right. What is the word above the symbol of the country?
Passport.
Right. Where is the passport word is written?
Above the symbol of the country.
Right. What is the underlying symbol of the country?
Citizen of India.
Wrong. Where is the Republic of India is written in the passport?
Below the symbol of the country.
Right. How many pages are there in the passport?
36 pages.
Right. Often traveling person can opt for how many pages of passport?
60 pages.
Right. To whom the 60 pages passport is issued?
Passenger who travel frequently.
Right. How often is passport valid for?
Passport valid for all countries, exception should be mentioned.
Wrong. How long will be the passport valid depending on what?
Depend on what passenger, on the citizenship of the country where the passenger, the country from.
Okay, right. Traveling to which countries are valid in the passport? Traveling to which countries the passport is valid?
For all countries, exception mentioned.
Right. What is the validity of a passport during the journey?
It should not be 6 months.
Right. How old are the children usually need to keep a valid passport issued in their name?
Above the 16 years of age.
Right. Why passport is used?
Passport is used for the it identifies the person to travel abroad and it acts as proof of the citizen.
Right. What are the things to keep in mind while checking passports?
Nationality of the passenger, passport should not be expiring and validity of the country where the passport should be issued, and validity of the passport.
Right. What are the documents that can be used instead of passport?
Seaman discharge books, birth certificate issued by the government, military cards, travel certificates, and travel certificates, etc.
Right. What kind of passport is there?
Normal passport, diplomatic passport, official passport, and alien passport, business passport, and children passport.
Right. When is an Indian citizen entitled to issue a normal passport?
Normal passport is for normal citizen of the country.
Right. What color is outer cover of a normal passport?
Blue.
Right. Normal passport is valid for how many years?
For 10 to 15 years.
Okay, right. What permission can the normal passport holder have to take during the journey?
Immigration clearance.
Right. Who is issued a diplomatic passport?
Diplomatic passport is issued for the for the person who has diplomatic autonomy, and passengers and the persons who has working in embassies or commissions, or the persons who are musician, artists, and sports persons.
Okay, right. To which countries a diplomatic passport holder can travel?
For all countries, exception should be mentioned.
Right. Can the family of a diplomatic passport holder be entitled to issuance of a diplomatic passport?
Yes.
Right. To whom the children's identity card is issued?
By the countries where the children at the minimum age is passport should not be issued.
Right. Who is issuing an alien passport?
Alien passport issued for the persons who are who are individual of the country but not the citizen of the country.
Right. What is a joint passport?
Joint passport is issued for the persons who travel together on a single passport.
Right. What is a laissez-passer passport?
Laissez-passer passport is issued for the refugees of the country.
Okay, right. How can a joint passport holder travel?
Joint passport holder travel, they should be together at the single passport.
Right.
Thank you.